It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more. She slayed them faces, yeah. No matter what the race is, no. Book her for your next event.
I wake up every day as flesh and bones, humbled alone, weak on my own. Lord, you love me bare and natural. You meet me where I am, still high on your throne.
I look up to you in all I do. You're my example of perfection. To be pleasing in your sight is my sole goal in this life. But there's no pressure to be perfect. Perfect you are. Perfect you are. So I don't have to be perfect. Perfect you are. You are.
We try our best, but sometimes we fall short. It's part of our design. It's what we need God for.
they could break us apart.
You're super to my natural, you're extra to my ordinary flaws. Hold my hand through it all, forgive me every time I fall. Help me to see that I don't need to be worthy.
You are, so I don't have to be
To be, you are perfect. So I don't have to be.
Hey guys, I just want to jump on here right quick. I hope y'all guys are enjoying the tutorial. I just want to let you know that I will be linking everything that I use in the description box below as usual. I hope y'all guys are enjoying it. And y'all, I'm always enjoying the music that I'm playing. So that's why I be dancing and jumping and everything, moving my head and everything. Just enjoying it as I do my makeup for y'all guys. But I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. And please like, share, and subscribe and push your notification bell so that you can be notified every time I put up a banging tutorial like this. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.
I'm right here. I hear your every word, song of a mockingbird. Tells the truth. It's about time we met. I've been watching you over there. It's about time. When I feel so down and out, your love comes to raise me from all doubt. Yeah, lift up our very heads, comfort us suffering. That's what you do. You're the soul of so many things. Hear your voice in the birds who sing. I love you. Wanna tell you I'm on my way. I'm coming home today. And I hear you say it's about time we met. I've been watching you over there. It's about time we met. Now you're finally home again. It's about time. you crying on your pillow. Never wanted you to feel like I'm not there, but I know that in this life you will have trouble. I just wanna let you know that I'm still writing you love letters.
You see how I take care of the sparrow. See how I'm still painting the rainbow, so
don't let go of me.
Drawing close,
all out desperately
when you need me the most.
I am God,
I'm your rock.
don't let go.
Keep holding on. Soldiers, never ever was it your cross to bear. Let me fight your battles. I'm the only one who's better than you know yourself.
Let go of me.
Drawing close,
all out desperately
when you need me the most.
I am God,
I'm your rock.
don't let go.
Holding on to me, drawing close,
all out desperately
when you need me the most.
I am God,
I'm your rock.
don't let go.
Keep holding on.
Seek my face while I hold your hand. Unchanging faith, you can trust my plan. Seek my face.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again.